Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to take your WhatsApp game to the next level, whether you're a business, marketer, or entrepreneur, today's video is for you. We're diving into ManyChat's WhatsApp automation tools and how can you use them to save time, engage customers, and drive more sales. If you've been overwhelmed by WhatsApp messages or want to grow your business on one of the world's most popular messaging platforms, you're in the right place. Now, before we get started, the links for the mentioned tools and softwares are in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. So let's jump right in. Now, before we proceed, let's go ahead and talk about what is ManyChat. Basically, ManyChat is a chatbot and a marketing automation platform designed to help businesses streamline communication and engage with customers across messaging platforms. It supports Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and SMS. ManyChat enables businesses to automate conversations, save time, and drive leads or sales, all while maintaining a personalized customer experience. Now, before we proceed to ManyChat specifically, let's address the why. Why should we automate WhatsApp? Now, the first why is to reach a massive audience. WhatsApp has over 2 billion active users globally, making it one of the most widely used messaging apps. Now, we have the customer expect quick replies. A study showed that 25% of customers expect near instant replies on messaging apps like WhatsApp. Speed equals satisfaction. And we also have better customer experience. Automating FAQs like frequently asked questions, order updates, and promotions ensures your customer get consistent quick replies even if you're not online. And lastly, we can go ahead and drive more sales. You can guide customers from inquiry to purchase seamlessly without ever leaving WhatsApp. And basically, with ManyChat, you can go ahead and set automated replies to common questions, run lead generation campaigns and collect user details, set up order updates and notification, and lastly, even automate entire sales funnels. It's perfect for businesses that want to streamline customer communication and create an effortless shopping experience on WhatsApp. Now, automation let you scale your business while still giving your customer a personal and responsive experience. And now that's out of the way, let's now proceed on how we can integrate ManyChat to our WhatsApp. Now, to get started, you want to head over to their official website right here, which is manychat.com. Once inside, you simply want to click on Get Started. Now from here, it will then go ahead and ask us these questions on where we want the ManyChat to be integrated with. In our case, it is going to be WhatsApp, so you can just navigate through the WhatsApp button. Right after that, it will then go ahead and show you this window where the Facebook wizard will be open in a new window tab. Follow the instructions to connect the WhatsApp number to ManyChat. And lastly, you'll be asked to provide a phone number for your WhatsApp integration. So you can just go ahead and click on one of the options right here, which is the connect new number or use my own number. Now I'll just go ahead and click on use my own number right here. And from there, it will then go ahead and verify us with a new window. So you want to go ahead and agree to the terms and condition right here. And right after verifying your WhatsApp business account, you will then be taken to this page where you have to choose between the pro trial or a free plan. Now in my case, I'll just go ahead and enable the free plan right here. And once inside, it will then go ahead and ask us on what is the primary purpose of creating our account. I'll just choose business use right here. And right after answering all of these questions, we can now go ahead and use ManyChat to our WhatsApp business. And so to proceed, you simply want to navigate through your dashboard right here. You can go ahead and see that right beside your screen. We have our home, contacts, automation, live chat, broadcasting, and lastly, settings. Now, you simply want to click on automation, and once inside automation, the way to go ahead and set up your own is by clicking on the new automation button. From here, it will then go ahead and take us to the templates of the WhatsApp automation right here. So the first button that we have is a trigger. A trigger is an event that starts your automation. Click to add a trigger. So let's just go ahead and click on it. From here, we have multiple options like user sends a message, user clicks a CTWA ad, and lastly, user click a link. Since I'm only using a free trial, I can only go ahead and choose the last option right here, which is the WhatsApp URL. But I suggest choosing the WhatsApp message because it is going to be easier for all of the WhatsApp businesses out there. This basically means that when a user sends a message, it will go ahead and activate this automation right here. Now, since we're using a free trial, let's just go ahead and click on that trigger right there. And now that we have our trigger or our link, we can just go ahead and customize this the way we want to. And right after that, we then have the WhatsApp URL, and it will basically go ahead and trigger the automation. From here, let's just go ahead and add a text. And so what I basically want to happen is that when someone clicks our link right here, the automation will automatically send a message or a DM to that specific user. We can add text, images, delay, data collection, and more. So this is basically how this tool goes. As I've said earlier, you can go ahead and set up multiple automations if you want to. We have the user sends a message, CWTA, and more. But since I'm only using a free trial, I'll just showing you the basics right here. Now, what I love about this tool right here is the seamless integration. Connecting WhatsApp Business with ManyChat is straightforward and the platform works smoothly. You also have the customizable workflows. You can easily build flows for anything, FAQs, lead collection, or sales with ManyChat's drag and drops editor. And lastly, it's great for small businesses. It's a game changer for businesses that don't have a huge team but want to handle thousands of inquiries efficiently. Now we have multiple examples right here. As you can go ahead and see, we can get traffic by sharing business details, and we have this one, which is the set common automatic replies. Now when someone says good morning, it will then go ahead and automate this message right here with the options to talk to a human or make a suggestions. Now we can go ahead and set up a bunch of automations the way we want to when using ManyChat. And so guys, in my opinion, ManyChat is a powerful tool for businesses that want to automate conversation, boost engagement, and grow their audience or customer base on the messaging platforms. It's easy to use, scalable, and can significantly improve your marketing and customer communication strategies. Now, let me know if you need a deeper dive into any specific feature. Hit the notification bell, like, and subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.